In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin chocolate chip and nut cookies. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 cup of canned pumpkin, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of pecans, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of softened butter, and 1 egg. First thing you're going to do is mix your butter and sugar together with an electric mixer for about 3 minutes on medium speed. Don't be afraid to stop halfway through and scrape down the sides to make sure everything mixes thoroughly. Now mix in the pumpkin and the egg until they're combined thoroughly. Now you're going to add the rest of the ingredients except for the chocolate chip and nuts. You're going to mix it until it's combined, but don't overmix this part. Last but not least, you're going to add those chocolate chips and pecans to the mix and stir with a spoon. Spray a baking sheet with non-stick cooking spray and drop your dough by the spoonful. Bake in an oven that's been preheated to 375 degrees for about 15 minutes or until they're completely done, and then remove them from the oven and let them cool down for about a minute before placing them directly on a wire rack to cool down. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you try to make these, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.